Hello friends! Welcome back to the Baking Journey channel. Today we are going to make a very simple but very delicious raisin bread together. So, if you also want to make raisin bread, follow me to the end of the video, thank you. Well, to start, I pour half a cup of lukewarm milk into the container. And I add a teaspoon of dry yeast to it. I add a teaspoon of sugar to our ingredients to make the yeast work better. Now I mix the good ingredients together until they are uniform and let them rest for 10 minutes. Well, now it's time to mix the dry ingredients together. For this purpose, I choose a suitable container. I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour that I pour into the bowl. The sweetening of this delicious bread needs 1/4 cup of sugar. I add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to our ingredients to enhance the taste of the bread and prevent excessive activity of the yeast. Now, to make our bread delicious, I add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to our bread. I mix all the ingredients with a good whisk until they are uniform. I mix an egg with a hand mixer. Now it's time to add eggs and milk and yeast mixture to the flour. After the ingredients are almost mixed together, it's time to add the softened butter. Knead the dough until the butter is completely mixed with the dough. I transfer the dough to the work board and knead it well for about 10 minutes. After the dough reaches this soft texture, I transfer it to a greased container and let it rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it doubles in volume. Now it's time to transfer the dough to a floured work surface and roll out the dough with a rolling pin. We open the dough to a thickness of 5 millimeters and make cuts on the surface of the dough with a suitable tool. Now pour the raisins on the surface of the dough and shape and roll the dough as shown in the video. We grease the desired dish with butter and put the dough inside it. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. To make the top of the bread more colorful, I use an egg yolk and a spoonful of milk. Bake the dough in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please support me by liking and sharing the video. If you are interested in this type of content, I would be happy to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for being with me so far in the video. See you later.